Hi guys, I'm back with a bucket full of empties. Literally, this is the condition, like it's overflowing. I hope you can see. So I'm going to give you a mini review of all of these products. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first product is maybe something that I didn't like at all. So मैं ये बिल्कुल recommend नहीं करूँगी. So this is Ever Youth का body lotion. This is their sun care berry version. And when I got this, I thought कि ये बहुत hydrating होगा and it's a big component. So ये मुझे बहुत महीने चलेगा, but it was not at all hydrating and I have to apply literally 3-4 times. So इतना सारा quantity देने का भी कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है when it's not going to be hydrating. So if you have dry skin, you can skip on this, but if you have oily skin or normal skin, then you can use this. But for me it was a flop. Then I have this moisturizer. This is Vaseline Deep Moisturizer. It has 48 hours long hydration, and yes, it does. It's very long lasting and it's very thick. So if you have dry skin, you will really like it, and it's a big component and this will last you a very good amount of time because it is very thick. So the consistency is thick and good if you have dry skin. So yeah, this I will highly recommend. Lotion. So this has Vaseline jelly serum in lotion, and yeah, it is for dry skin, it's mentioned here. So yeah, this is good for if you have dry skin. Then I have this खाली डब्बा. This is by Latest Obsession. मैंने इसका पहले भी एक टब empty किया. Then this, if you even if you have very dry skin, this is very good. You can see the empty component. like कि आधा किलो का डब्बा है and this will last you forever because this stuff is good if you have dry skin. और ये बहुत thick moisturizer है. Only go for it if you have dry skin, otherwise you will not like it. And this is Joy का skin fruit moisturizer. It has active fruit boosters as well. This is now a staple. मैं हमेशा ये सेल पे चेक करती हूँ. If the buy one get one is there, I will definitely get this. And yeah, this is good for winters and the drier months. I don't think so मैं इसे summer में repurchase करूँगी, but I will definitely get this in future. Then I have this moisturizer. I lost the cap. So this is Parachute ka body lotion. Now this also I have repurchased many time by now, like बहुत बार मैंने इसको repurchase किया है because it's very good if you have dry skin. और ये ना सबसे सस्ता body lotion है. You can check Amazon or whatever. Like this is the cheapest body lotion in the market. Like इस पर बहुत अच्छा discount रहता है. So definitely worth checking out. And this is also for dry skin. It has deep nourishing moisturize and protect. It has pure coconut milk for dry skin, and you can instantly feel the difference if you apply this on one of your hand. You can see the difference in your skin because it's very hydrating and moisturizing and nourishing. So you can check this. And this is the, as I said, this is the cheapest body lotion in the market and definitely worth it if you have dry skin. It's very thick in texture, so you will really like it. Then I have another one without an empty, so without an cap. So yeah, this one is Vaseline ka daily brightening even tone lotion. So this has a color to it, and I don't know if you have a deeper complexion, how will you like it? I don't think so you will like it. So I don't think so it's worth it because color is unnecessary. Anyways, it was very hydrating because it's from Vaseline. It has B3 Vaseline jelly, so it is good. It has SPF, so it's very non-greasy, good for summers. Actually, it's hydrating but not oily or greasy, so definitely good for summers. But I don't think so I will purchase this again, although I do have this right now in my vanity. But yeah, that's that. But it's good for summers if you want a non-greasy moisturizer. Okay, then I have this shower gel empty, and look at it. So this is a very big component of shower gel. It took me quite a bit of time to empty this out, but this I want to talk about it. This line from Yardley is quite underrated. I have seen many review about other body lotion which are more, other body washes which are more expensive. This is not that expensive. Plus it has this good component with a nice aesthetic packaging, and the pump is also really good. This one too good, like it has the gel consistency. Of course it's not at all that harsh on skin, so free lagta hai. It's very light on the skin, as well as the lather is there, but it's not too much, and it's the perfect consistency. Also you get a very big component on quantity wise. So yeah, this has Garcinia and Water Lily. This is good one. And also Yardley has quite a lot of variation of this, so you can check this out, but it's very underrated. I have never seen a review about this. At least I have never seen one. So yeah, so you can see this is the first review of this. I will highly recommend you, you can check it out. It was very affordable as well. Then I have this Rebel sachet, and ये तो मैं purchase करती ही रहती हूँ because this is the cheapest body washes in the market. Like you cannot beat this price point. Even they have other refill packs, they are expensive, but पता नहीं इसका price point काफ़ी वो discounted रहता है. So you have to buy multiple of this from Amazon if you are buying, because it's that cheap. So there is a threshold Amazon pay for, like, I think 100 rupees. If something is cheaper than 100 rupees, you have to buy multiple of it. So मेरे पास ये हमेशा ही रहता है. And this one is good. It has lavender, and the fragrance is really good. The lavender color is also very good. Also it has almond oil, and you can feel the hydration is there of the almond oil. And yeah, it's the best. It's affordable and good quality, and you can use this refill. It has its own bottle, but that's the point. You can get, like what I used to do, I used to refill this in this one. So yeah, that's how I use this bottle. So yeah, that's about it. I will highly recommend you to try this. And yeah, I have another empty of the same refill. Like I empty out these a lot, and as you have to buy two, I always ended up having multiples of these in my cart, and then emptying out these are very easy. These are the most affordable and good quality body washes in the market. Okay, now moving on to shampoo. So I have tried, this is also I think the cheapest shampoo in, I think, yeah, 400 ml section. This is the cheapest, I think. So this is Bajaj Almond Drop anti hair fall shampoo. The reason I got it was for anti hair fall purpose, but I don't think so it's that good anti hair fall shampoo. It's okay, it's not drying, but I don't think so that it's good for anti hair fall. Like मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगा कि इससे hair fall reduce होता है. It's not drying, that is a good thing, because most of the shampoo are very drying, so I don't like them. It was an average product. I will not buy this again. I will stick to the Pantene one. And emptying out this one was very difficult. मैं इसको use ही नहीं करती थी, but then I ended up using it. Okay, then I have bunch of conditioners. So first is this L'Oreal Infallible one, L'Oreal Paris. So this is their Total Repair 5 restoring conditioner. It says 9% repair concentrate with keratin. I don't know what's the point of having keratin in it, because keratin एक protein है जो लेना पड़ता है. Maybe the supplement would be effective. I don't know how much external keratin can help you. I don't think so it was a good one. I think Nykaa conditioner is the best, and is the best for, and L'Oreal का ad और hype बहुत है, but it's an average product. So yeah, I will any day prefer my Nykaa conditioner over this. Okay, then I have this Dove anti hair fall rescue conditioner. Now I like this range of Dove, the anti hair fall one. It does work for me. Like इससे हेयर फॉल कम होता है, मैंने ये देखा है. The Dove one and the Pantene one is worth it. If you have hair fall, you can try these range, so you can go for it. And it says 1 minute conditioner. Usually I keep my conditioner for 3-4 minutes, so that's what I will suggest you. But this does work for anti hair fall. Also these are very hydrating and moisturizing, so if you have dry frizzy hairs, you can try this range or any one of this does work. Okay, now moving on to face washes. So I have many. Yeah, let's talk about them. So first is this Everyouth Naturals. Now Everyouth products, most of them are average. I don't hate them, but I will not buy them, so that's the condition. So this is their anti acne, anti mark tulsi turmeric face wash. This one was okay, it was fine, it was like a okay face wash. I will not highly recommend you it, but it's a okay product. If you want to try, you can try it. But for anti acne, I will any day prefer Dermat range, which has salicylic acid. You guys know me, so if you have an acne, the best way to treat it is salicylic acid. And yeah, so you can skip on this one. Okay, then I have this PR product. This I have done reel for them. So this is Lotus Herbals White Glow 3-in-1 cleansing skin whitening facial foam. So yeah, it has that claim. What to say about it? Otherwise it was a good product. It deeply cleanse, it says whiten, block melanin protection, which you know that can be happening. So it was a great face wash. I do like it. The consistency was good, the cleansing effect was good. It was a simple face wash and it has bold claim, so I don't know what to say about it. So you can check other face washes, or you can go for this one as well. If we can skip on the gimmicky marketing, I don't know what to say about this marketing stuff. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, then I have this Koji Care Skin Lightening Face Wash. Again, that claim is there. So let me tell you, if you are suffering from pigmentation, kojic acid is the only ingredient that will work and show you results for pigmentation. So from that perspective, it's does a this whole Koji Care range I really like, बिकॉज उसका रिजल्ट इंस्टेंटली है. तुमको 3-4 दिन में पिगमेंटेशन कम दिखेगा. सो यू कैन गो फॉर इट, ट्राई दैट, बट मेक श्योर कि ईदर यू डोंट स्टेप आउट इन सन, और you always have a sunscreen, and you have to apply sunscreen every 2 hours. So वो सब केयर तुम्हें अपनी करनी पड़ेगी, otherwise you will end with more pigmentation. So there is no point in applying any product if you are going out in sun and you are not protected. So that's about pigmentation. It helps in reducing pigmentation, dark spot, everything. The claims are good. It has kojic acid, arbutin, and glutathione, and vitamin E. It's a good product. You can try it. The entire Koji Care range I will highly recommend you. But make sure you do all the steps. Make sure you do all the steps that I'm telling you for pigmentation. Okay, again I have PR products. So this is by Ozone. Complexion brightening face wash. What's with all brightening claim? Like पिगमेंटेशन वर्ड डाल दो यार इसकी जगह. इट लुक्स काइंड ऑफ चीप एंड टैकी. अदरवाइज I work with these brands, so what can I do? I don't manufacture them यार. मेरा काम सिर्फ उनको प्रमोट करना है. So whatever. So like hire me for your marketing team or something if you want improvement. That's what I can recommend them. ब्रांड को काफ़ी प्रमोट किया है. I have done multiple reels with them, and this was just a gift from them, and this is too good. I really like it. So this has tiny beads, but they are not chunky, so dissolve हो जाती हैं वो. But I like the effect, and has very gel like texture. It's good. It's hydrating also. It's not drying out. It doesn't strip out moisture from your skin, and it's a good product. And also the quantity you get is also good. Ozone is making amazing product, and they can change this marketing. That's it. It's 2025. Otherwise it's a very good product. I wish, like, मुझे ना ये There was a time when my PR manager was like, do you want this? And I was like, I have so many face washes, so I skipped on it. Then ultimately I tried it, and yeah, I wish I would have tried more because it's a good product. Okay, then this I forgot to mention is a conditioner by Mosaic. Is also a brand which I came to know from these PR agencies of mine. Now this is really good range for curly hair. So this whole brand is for curly hairs, TMI. So if you want to know about more such curly hairs products, you can let me know. I can make a video about it. Honestly, this is an average conditioner. Like, they have other good products, but they can improve on their shampoo and conditioner. So this is their ultra hydrating conditioner, intense nourishing repair. I don't agree with intense hydration. The hydration is there, but it's not that much. It says triple butter blend. I didn't feel that. Microbiome rice extract. Rice extract, we can make a video about it. So you can use rice water for good hair. We can do a review about that. So it has dry, frizzy, wavy, curly hair, and ये पूरी range ही curly hairs की है. So it's an average conditioner. I will stick to my Nykaa conditioner any day. So yeah, that's that. So moving on to moisturizers. So I have these, all the good moisturizer. I was so happy with them. Like, I'm having a hard time letting them go. So first is this Dermco. This is their vitamin D daily face moisturizer for dry and flaky skin. I do agree. This Dermco. So yeah, I do like all these derma ranges. Like, it एक्चुअली बहुत अच्छे प्रोडक्ट होते हैं इनके, कोई भी स्किन केयर होता है. डर्म डॉक एंड डर्म को बोथ आई लाइक इक्वली. सो दिस हैज़ विटामिन ई, लैक्टिक एसिड, एंड you can use it day and night, whatever. But the reason I really like it and I was missing it is because of its intense hydration, जो मुझे summer में तो नहीं चाहिए. But then, oh my god, I was so excited to try Foxtail because of their packaging and aesthetic is so good, and I just want to cut this open and मुझे देखना है इसमें कुछ बचा है क्या, because I was obsessed with this moisturizer. And this is their Pure Bliss. So this is their Pure Bliss nourishing moisturizer, smooth and hydrating skin, revive dull skin. It has niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and cocoa butter. Okay, so this is really good, and it says all skin type, and I do feel like this can be used by all skin type, and this is one such moisturizer that I can recommend you to all. So if you have normal dry skin, oily skin, anybody can use this. But the reason I loved it was, yeah, the niacinamide does work. इसका niacinamide, इसका फॉर्मुलेशन बहुत अच्छा है, इफेक्टिव है. एंड आई सफ़र फ्रॉम bumpy skin and texture skin, and niacinamide is the only ingredient that have significantly reduced that. So I will highly recommend you to try this, and I really want to cut it open and try it. Like, इसमें से कुछ निकल जाए शायद. So I'm already missing this. I will check out Nykaa for discounts and all, like, but this one is so good. I will highly recommend you. Okay, then I have my love, my heart. I cannot live without this. Is my soulmate. Please come back to me. A situation. So if there is one thing I can't live without in this world, is this moisturizer. Yes, I know. So this is by Derm Doc, and I cannot live without this. This is the best. Like, please वापस आ जाओ स्टॉक में. I am checking purple.com twice in a day just to get this. Like, ये आ ही नहीं रहा है स्टॉक में. I'm like, why this is happening to me? So this is their 2% salicylic acid, fight acne, keep skin oil free moisturizer. This is their face gel actually, and oily to acne prone skin. So I do have acne prone skin and it works perfectly for me, and summers में तो I definitely need this. I use it throughout the year जब भी मुझे लगता है कि हाँ acne आ रहे हैं, my skin is getting acne prone, so I use this. I cannot live without this. Sometime what I do is रात में I will slap this on like a lot. I will take so इसलिए ख़त्म भी हो जाता है so I just use it as a acne mask treatment thing, if you can call it. उस दिन मैं कोई और स्किन केयर नहीं लगाती हूँ, just slap this all, and sometime I will leave my skin alone, like alone, nothing on my skin, and I sleep like that to treat my acne. And this is the only method that has worked. I have, believe me, I get so much PR and stuff, and at the end of this or nothing works for my acne. So if you are suffering from acne prone skin, you can try this, but ये stock में तो आ जाए, and if this will come, I will try to get at least 5 of these because I can't live without this. So I regret already कि मैंने तब 2 ही परचेज किए थे. If I would have got at least 5 तो अभी मेरे पास इसका स्टॉक होता, and there is no replacement. This product is really unique. मैंने जेल सैलिसिलिक एसिड की जेल इतनी अच्छी और कोई नहीं देखी. मे बी इफ आई कैन फाइंड इन फार्मेसी आई विल लेट यू गाइस नो, सो stay tuned for that. Okay, then I have same salicylic acid in a tub form. So ये भी मैंने बहुत यूज़ किया and ये empty out हो गया है, and वो ट्यूब भी empty out हो गया है. I am desperately in a need of this, so this should come back in stock. Okay, then another moisturizer. This is actually a night cream. So this is the most affordable night cream. ये 100 रुपये में मिल जाती है, but सेल होनी चाहिए नायका पे. So that's the point with it, but if you can get it, you should get it. This has niacinamide olive leaf extract, and इसने ना मेरी मॉम की पिगमेंटेशन पे बहुत वर्क किया है. So पिगमेंटेशन के लिए you can go for this night cream. It does work. She really likes it, so I will definitely stock up on this. So yeah, that's that. I really, I have tried it, but my mom has used it the entire tub, so she really likes it. Does help for pigmentation, so yeah, I will definitely buy this again. Then I have these samples of Dot & Key. Now let me tell you, these samples do last such a long time. Like ये samples ही ख़त्म करने में ना it will take a lot of time because the Dot & Key moisturizers are too good. You need a tiniest amount. इतना ज़्यादा hydration होता है इसमें, and skin benefits are there, like the salicylic acid is for acne. Then I have this vitamin C mask. Then I have these 2 vitamin C. These are their brightening moisturizers. These does work, और मैं इनको अपने अंडर आई में यूज़ करती थी. So I used to use them just like an eye cream, but these are so good. They are the best. But yeah, I think I should use up all the moisturizer. Let me show you maybe in next video. I have a full drawer stuffed, like stuffed, jam packed with moisturizers and sunscreen, which is crazy. Sunscreen भी moisturizers ही होते हैं. So in summers you don't apply that much product, so sunscreen अकेले में खुद moisturizers हैं, and then the moisturizers are themselves there. So I have a jam pack drawer. वो बंद भी नहीं होता है, मुश्किल से बंद होता है. So I think I should stick to them and use all the moisturizer before they go expire. Okay, then I have this toner. This is brightening toner by Good Vibes. Now Good Vibes की toner मुझे बहुत पसंद है. Not that I think this kind of toner can do anything, but क्या होता है ना, मैं जब shower लेके आती हूँ या so I spritz this, then I'll do my hair, then spritz this 3-4 times, and then spritz some other toners. like ऐसे करके करते मैं बहुत toner spritz करती हूँ अपने face पे. It does help in hydration, and this one is good if you have dry skin. And Good Vibes toners are really amazing. Now they have an entire range about it. So yeah, बहुत सारे toners हैं इनके. So this one is licorice one. I do really like it. Okay, then I miss this face wash. Like मैंने मुझे ये इतने सारे send किए थे कि अभी तक मैं use कर रही हूँ. They have sent like 10 or they have sent 10, 12, I don't know how many, 14 maybe. So this is their glycolic luminate face wash with glycolic acid. This face wash is good. I really like it. It's just cleanse the skin, does not dehydrate the skin. It's very lightweight in texture. Also it has a good foam, but not dry nahi karta hai skin, so that's why I love it. And yeah, I have like, I think I should count, maybe I have 10, 20, I don't know how many face wash right now I have. So I cannot repurchase any of it, but if I can repurchase, I will definitely go for the Lakme face washes. They are good. Okay, then I have another toner. Now this toner is by St. Ives, और इसका ना काफ़ी असला हुआ था यूएस में this brand, and there's some product, the exfoliator or something. So this is 2% BHA exfoliating toner. It has TT natural enzyme, 2% salicylic acid. मैंने इसे कैसे यूज़ किया है? I used to use for my back acne really. So it does help. So the ingredients are good and it does helps in treating back acne. So if it does help in treating the acne prone skin, so you can go for it. But I used it for back acne and it does help, so you can go for it, try it and let me know. But yeah, this brand is like, इंडिया में मैंने इसका कोई हाइप नहीं सुना. So yeah, it's a USA brand and the product are somewhat affordable, so it's not that expensive also. Plus the ingredients are really good, so I do like it. And will I purchase it again? Like अभी इसका actually they send out 2 of these, so अभी भी इसका एक toner मैं as a back toner back acne toner use कर रही हूँ. So yeah, I will recommend you this range. Now guys, I think I will make part 2. अभी भी products बचे हैं and I have a bunch of serums and things to talk with you guys, but the thing is that this video is getting way long, and yeah, I am sitting here without electricity now. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will bring more such review videos for you guys. And yeah, these kind of videos take hours in making, so if you can like, subscribe, that will really help. So yeah, that's it. Bye bye.